Today I will show you how to synchronize the data from your FITBIT Charge 2 with the application. So to do it, we'll need to open up the application itself. So I'm gonna open mine. And from here you can tap on the little profile icon that is right here. And then tap on the device itself. And from here, as you can see, you have all day sync, and you can disable that, and you can also sync manually at the moment. So for instance, I can turn that off and it will not sync automatically like it would normally. And I can just choose when to sync by tapping the button. And it will start syncing. Let's give it a moment. And it's finished. Now there's no indication that it has finished or anything, it just stops spinning. So yeah. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.